Olive, where are you? Kailangan ko maglinis ng ano. Kain ni Olive. Olive, Olivia. Where are you, Olivia? Olivia, say hi to my friend. Si Olivia. Ganyan ka muna, Olivia. Kailangan kong alisin yung tao. Ka muna, Olivia. Lakad-lakad na si Olivia. Olivia. Olive. I'm here. Mary is here. I give you food. Pagkain ni Olive. Baba ka muna dito kay linisin ko yung ano mo. Ayan, mga tae mo. Dito ka, Olive. Dito ka, Olivia. Tingnan natin kung saan ka pupunta, Olivia. Si Olivia. Si Olivia na po moving. Olivia, this is your water. Water ni Olivia, oh. Oh, I'm cleaning. Dito ka. Kakain na si Olivia, oh. Si Olive. Huh? That's new. Eat, Olivia, eat. Where's your tissue? I need to clean here before I put. Where are you going, Olive? Where are you going?
He knows his home.
Huh?
He knows his home.
So,
Mama, there is tissue Mary wants.
finish? Okay, it's okay.
You have to buy it.
We're going, Olive. You don't have space over there. Olivia? Wait lang. Olivia! Maybe this
What is that in his mouth?
This Olive is full.
What is that
full?
in his mouth?
Where?
That hair.
Nothing.
He's not supposed to eat hair.
Wow, where from that hill?
I don't know. You can't eat hair, man.
No, just now I put it there.
The hair
Okay.
will come on his butt and it's very
Then you are not taking care of your pet. You should the one to taking care of that. Just now I'm removing that hair. Maybe from here. So what you can
He has to open his mouth.
What you can tell about your pet?
Only if he open. He pooped?
Where is pooping?
What's that?
No, this is pooping. We don't have no, paper, so I'm selecting. Where is the poop? I remove here.
He's very sticky though.
So,
He needs to open his mouth.
so tell
too.
me what about this Olive? What is the favorite of Olive?
Do you want to?
Huh?
He likes corn.
Huh?
He likes corn.
Corn?
Yeah.
What else?
He likes sweet food.
Really? This your turtle is not going swimming?
Who? Olaf?
Yes.
He has his own food. His water.
What is this white amo?
Ah. What?
What you gave?
He just bites my hand every time. What?
What you give this Olive?
I just give him lettuce right now.
That's only the food of Olive,
He
lettuce.
eats other fruits.
Strawberry like that.
He's a vegetarian though.
Vegetarian?
What?
He-
He just
He's
actually
vegetarian?
just bite my hand.
Really? Because he's eating, huh?
Mary, she bit my hand.
Eating your hand? Biting?
It's a very small mark.
Are you crazy? Why you put your hand in
I'm feeding
instead
her
of mouth?
food. How else will I feed her?
Yeah, you should give it. You feed her. You should put this this olive there. No need to hold. Because this olive thinking your hand is food.
He eats green stuff. Only sometimes he bites my finger. He doesn't bite anyone else's finger because I'm the only one who feeds him.
You are the one.
Yeah.
But maybe miss your hand. Kissing your hand. That's it. No, removing because I'm going to put that.
Yum. That's good, right? Yum, yum. Yum. Ow.
Eating again?
Yeah. I try to keep my hand as far as possible. Because if I keep the food on the floor, you can't eat. It's a very thin food.
So every day you give the food for Olive or no?
Not every day.
No, because that food is from last day I am here. I give.
I gave him food today. I gave him one small leaf.
What
One
you
leaf.
give?
One leaf I gave.
I need to put here now. Okay. Enough that one. Eating, no? He's eating. Olive. So it means to say Olive is very hungry, na? Very hungry, not giving the lunch. Eat.
Wait. Before
See,
he bites my hand.
biting. Because thinking.
No, without anything I give him. I just did this.
In the-
And he actually bit my hand like that. It's so cute to see his tongue.
Yeah. Big mouth, yeah? Yeah.
Not big. He
No, the big mouth if the way eating.
I'll be right back.
No, it has because why pinning your hand?
He has no teeth. He only has a tongue.
Huh?
He has no teeth. He only has a tongue. He's a baby.
Yeah, it has a baby, but why no? Olive knows how to eat.
I don't think he ever grew teeth. But
Okay, put it again here, no, in the.
let him
Here.
finish his food.
Finish. Yeah, you can put here because she will eat again.